Bang! A flash of electricity sparks through a bacterial cell, and in that instant, the line between biology and technology vanishes. Welcome to the BioDigital revolution, where living cells become computers, DNA becomes hard drives, and the future of technology isn't silicon, it's alive. Hold on to your seats, because what you're about to learn will blow your mind. Right now, in laboratories across the world, scientists are turning bacteria into living computers, programming cells like software, and storing Netflix movies in DNA. This isn't science fiction, it's happening today, and it's about to change everything. Imagine this: a single gram of DNA can store all the data from Google, Amazon, and Facebook combined. That's right, all of it. While our best hard drives struggle to last a decade, DNA has been storing information reliably for millions of years. Nature didn't just beat us to digital storage, it absolutely crushed our best technology. But here's where it gets really wild. In 2023, scientists at MIT successfully stored and retrieved an entire operating system in bacterial DNA. These microscopic programmers aren't just storing data, they're running calculations, solving problems, and evolving solutions that make our supercomputers look like pocket calculators. Boom! Harvard researchers just created living sensors that can detect everything from environmental toxins to disease markers. These biological machines don't just detect problems, they respond to them, adapt to them, and even fix them. It's like having a trillion tiny doctors patrolling your body, each one powered by the same energy system that keeps you alive. Think that's impressive? Hold my peptides. Scientists have developed DNA robots that can target cancer cells with pinpoint accuracy. These molecular machines hunt down diseased cells like tiny guided missiles, delivering medication exactly where it's needed. No side effects, no collateral damage, just precision engineering at the molecular level. But wait, there's more. In laboratories right now, researchers are creating living materials that can heal themselves, adapt to their environment, and evolve to meet new challenges. Imagine buildings that repair themselves like skin healing a cut, or bridges that strengthen themselves in response to stress. This isn't just engineering, it's bringing architecture to life. Flash. A bacterial cell just computed a complex mathematical problem faster than a quantum computer. These microscopic mathematicians are running calculations that would melt our best processors. And they're doing it while consuming less energy than it takes to power a LED bulb for 1 second. The convergence of biology and technology is creating possibilities that seem like magic. But remember Arthur C. Clarke's famous words, "Any sufficiently advanced technology is indistinguishable from magic." Well, hold on to your lab coats, because we're about to dive deep into the most advanced technology ever created, life itself. Let's talk protein computers. Every cell in your body is running millions of calculations per second using molecular machines called proteins. These natural computers don't just process information, they fold themselves into the exact shapes needed to solve specific problems. It's like having a computer that rebuilds itself for each new task. Zoom in. We're watching a cell divide in real time. But this isn't just any cell, it's a living computer that's replicating both its hardware and software simultaneously. While we struggle to build quantum computers that work at room temperature, these cellular supercomputers are running quantum calculations in the chaos of living systems. The applications are exploding faster than a nuclear chain reaction. Medical diagnostics. Living sensors in your bloodstream could detect diseases years before symptoms appear. Environmental protection. Engineered bacteria could clean up pollution while generating clean energy. Data storage. Your entire digital life could be stored in a drop of DNA. But here's where it gets really interesting. Scientists have created biological circuits that can process information just like electronic ones. These living logic gates don't just mimic our technology, they improve on it. They're self-repairing, self-replicating, and they run on glucose instead of electricity. Kapow! Researchers just created a living neural network that can learn and adapt like a brain. These biological AI systems don't need massive data centers or powerful processors. They run on the same principles that power natural intelligence, consuming minimal energy while solving complex problems. The potential is mind-boggling. Imagine computers that grow like plants, using sunlight and simple nutrients to build themselves. Think about data centers that repair themselves, adapt to new demands, and evolve better solutions over time. Picture a future where technology isn't just smart, it's alive. But this isn't just about copying nature, it's about collaborating with it. By combining biological systems with digital technology, we're creating hybrid solutions that are greater than the sum of their parts. It's like having the best of both worlds, the precision of digital systems with the adaptability of life. Flash forward. Medical nanobots powered by biological motors navigate through your bloodstream, delivering targeted therapies with pinpoint accuracy. These tiny cyborgs combine the precision of technology with the efficiency of biological systems. They're not just treating diseases, they're revolutionizing how we think about health. The speed of innovation in this field is breathtaking. Every day brings new breakthroughs, new possibilities, new ways of merging the digital and biological worlds. We're not just witnesses to this revolution, we're part of it. Our bodies, our cells, our very DNA is becoming part of the next technological frontier. Zoom out. Look at the bigger picture. This BioDigital Convergence isn't just changing technology, it's changing how we think about life itself. The line between natural and artificial is blurring. We're not just creating new tools, we're creating new forms of life that can solve our biggest challenges. Energy crisis. Living solar cells could capture and store solar energy with near-perfect efficiency. Climate change. Engineered organisms could capture carbon while producing sustainable materials. Food security. Programmable plants could adapt to changing conditions while maximizing yield. But hold on to your genetic sequences, because we're just getting started. Scientists are developing biological quantum computers that could solve problems our best machines can't even approach. These living quantum systems maintain coherence at room temperature, something our technological quantum computers can only dream of. Power up. A new kind of computer just booted up in a lab. It's not made of silicon or metal, it's made of living cells. This biological computer doesn't just process information, it evolves better solutions over time. It's like having a computer that becomes more powerful the longer it runs. The implications are staggering. Every cell becomes a potential computer. Every organism becomes a potential data storage device. Every biological process becomes a potential solution to our technological challenges. We're not just programming computers anymore, we're programming life itself. But here's the real kicker, this technology is sustainable by design. While our electronic devices fill landfills with toxic waste, biological computers break down into harmless organic compounds. They don't just solve our computing needs, they solve our environmental challenges too. Accelerate. The pace of innovation is increasing exponentially. What seemed like science fiction yesterday is reality today. And tomorrow? The possibilities are limited only by our imagination. We're standing at the dawn of a new era, where biology and technology merge to create solutions we never thought possible. Imagine data centers that grow like forests, consuming CO2 while processing our digital world. Picture medical treatments that adapt to each patient's unique biology, evolving perfect solutions in real time. Think about computers that don't just calculate, they think, adapt, and evolve. The future isn't just digital, and it isn't just biological, it's both. This convergence is creating a new paradigm, where the best of nature and technology come together to solve our biggest challenges. It's not just revolutionary, it's evolutionary. Power surge. Living batteries are being developed that generate clean energy while sequestering carbon. These biological power plants don't just store energy, they grow it. It's like having a power station that plants itself, maintains itself, and improves itself over time. The applications keep multiplying like bacteria in a petri dish. Biological sensors that detect earthquakes before they happen. Living materials that adapt to changing conditions. Hybrid systems that combine the precision of digital technology with the resilience of life. But perhaps the most exciting aspect is what we haven't discovered yet. Every day brings new breakthroughs, new possibilities, new ways of merging the digital and biological worlds. We're not just creating new technology, we're creating a new category of existence. The biodigital revolution isn't coming, it's here. And it's growing, evolving, and improving faster than we can imagine. The future isn't in Silicon Valleys or server farms. It's in the amazing combination of digital precision and biological innovation. So buckle up, because this ride is just beginning. The merger of biology and technology isn't just changing our tools, it's changing our world. And the best part? You're here to witness it, to be part of it, to help shape the biodigital future that's unfolding right before our eyes. Remember, the most powerful computer ever created isn't in a research lab or a tech company, it's in every living cell. And we're just beginning to tap into its potential. The future isn't just bright, it's alive. Welcome to the biodigital revolution.